I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna get manhandled. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, they're gonna curse me out. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. They're gonna be so upset at me. X. Are we taking our time? Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, we got off at the same time. Nice. All right, I got it. Hey, hey, where you going?
I have to find the other now. Where do you go?
Okay. All right, she's doing that. How do I crouch? Okay, all right, I'm gonna get one of these too. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. This is nerve-wracking. Okay, I got some bones. Okay. Just gonna cut this shit down because I know I'm gonna run into it. Everything is X. That makes it super easy. Is this where I just was? Is noise happening upstairs? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sorry. That shit just shot up. I feel so bad. It just shot up. Did I get seen? How do I run? Okay. Can I get out of here? Okay, I need an unlock tool. Where is everyone? Should I open this? Okay, this is rough. I already know I'm gonna get left. They're gonna leave me easy. Someone's already out.
Just keep your head clear.
Wait, what? Where is the basement exit? I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I need a spirit guide. The fuck? Ah! I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I not running? Oh, it's tap to sprint. Ah! I don't know what I'm doing. How did that one? They're leaving. I don't even know how to get out of the basement. I don't even know how to get out of the basement. Okay, that's locked. Ah, Connie, do you know what the fuck you're doing? Do you know what you're doing, Connie? No, Connie, you don't know either? Connie! Connie don't know. The people who knew left. I don't know what to do, and I don't have any help. And I gotta play Claw because I'm playing with controller.
Leon, thank God you're still alive.
What? That's not Leland. You stupid, Sonny.
I think they're gone.
I don't know what the. Where's the doors to get out of here? Oh my God, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh, that says escape from the basement. Oh, I thought it said they fucking escaped. I was like, how did they get out of there? I don't know what I'm doing at all. But how are you? I thought those people already left. That is hilarious. Okay, that's the well. What is this? Oh my God! Why he hit me? Why he hit me? God! He was walking like he didn't know I was there, and then he just fucking tore me up. Oh, I need a spirit guide. Okay, cool, a toolbox. I've been wanting a toolbox. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. God. Ah! What am I doing? Someone's getting shanked. Oh no. What's going on? How about you calm the fuck down? How about you do that? The fuck was that? All right, what am I doing out here? Seems like an important place to be. I could see people?
Okay.
Does he know I'm here? I'm nervous. He is over there frolicking. He is on a mission. All right. So is there something out here for me? Something that I can do? Or, you know, to help? Because I don't know what I'm doing. In case that wasn't obvious. God, go somewhere. Fuck! Someone just now got out of the basement? Or is he gone? Oh, someone died. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. Someone's talking. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm supposed to do something with this? Ah! I don't have, oh, I do have a tool. I don't know what I'm doing. Go to the car, turn off the electric when they leave. Okay, okay, and then go to the gate. Someone left. I'm the only one that's out. I don't know how to fucking do this. Yeah, I don't know. I do this in real life. My heart's fucking beating on my ass. I did it! Yeah! Yay! Oh God!
I need something for this.
Oh, I thought I was having a heart attack.
It's getting worse.
Oh, oh no, Louis! No, I'm not playing with anybody. Thus the very slow, methodical getting out of the basement. I didn't even know where the stairs were. Yay, we did it!